This is VEDA, day 6. Hello, yes, this is VEDA, day 6. I know, I can't believe I'm here either. I'm here to answer a question that I see again and again and again, and to be honest, I'm baffled as to why it even gets asked. But obviously there's some misconceptions out there, and I'm here to clear them up for you today. So a question that I see again and again in YouTube forums, YouTube communities is, should I be uploading my video as unlisted? No, you shouldn't. I can't understand really why you would. Maybe with exception for something like you filmed it in one of the YouTube spaces and you need it to be signed off by a lawyer. Even then, if it was me, I'd actually re-upload again before I made it public, because I really think this can be harmful to your views. Let me make this clear. Uploading to unlisted can be harmful to your videos. Let me explain why, and then I'll explain what you should be doing. YouTube measures something called view velocity once a video is released. So they look at the video in its first hour, 2 hours, 7 hours, 12 hours, 24, 48 hours, and they see how well it's been watched, how much it's been shared, and then from there they make a decision on how further to share it. The better it does in this initial period, the more it goes on to be shared, and eventually this is how a video becomes viral. At the opposite end of the spectrum, if a video doesn't do so well in the first few hours of its life, it's likely to wither on the vine and never really get a good amount of long tail views like you'd expect or you'd hope. So for this reason, this is why I think uploading unlisted is harmful, because when you have a video as unlisted, and especially when you share it and people from other channels watch it, the clock is ticking on the first few hours of that video's life. YouTube sees it as being published even though it isn't public. So when you do go public, YouTube doesn't care. It's too late. It's already analysed you for view velocity in its early hours, and you've missed the boat really. So what you need to be doing is upload to private. Let me say that again. Upload your videos to private. From there you can either set them live whenever you're ready to release them, or like I do, especially if you're doing a lot of videos in advance, for example a daily upload schedule, and you can really efficiently schedule a video without fear that you're going to hurt your velocity. There was once a myth going around that scheduling a video was harmful. This is just not the case, because I've been uploading videos and scheduling them for around 7 years. I've never seen a detrimental effect, and many of these videos have gone on to go viral and get millions and millions of views. So you can be safe in the knowledge that scheduling your video does not harm it. So I hope I've cleared up this myth once and for all. If you see people asking this question, please direct them to this video, because I need them to know that unlisting is not a good practice and there's no real reason for doing it. If you do want to share a video early, then I would either do a totally separate upload of the same video, or use another platform like Vimeo, Dropbox, Box.com, or even something like Google Drive. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips, and remember to hit that bell so you never miss a future upload. And to see the rest of my daily uploads this month for my VEDA challenge, please click here for the playlist, and I'll see you soon.